competition has been awesome, tremendous. The support has been incredible. The teams have been so disciplined and organized, and really seeing the camaraderie between different teams, the good sportsmanship, and of course a friendly rivalry. So I'm excited that today we're here for the 9th stage in the finals, and it's excitement. The crowd is here.
So we already have the 2 teams that are in the final. They're here as was expected. Bentley Mixers played against Friends for Real, 2 of the better clubs as progress.
What's most exciting for me throughout this tournament is Friends for Real. They are first-time entrants here, and fast forward our fast flashback to a couple months ago. We reached out to the Olympic football team for donations, and we were able through the Pocket Rocket Foundation to donate to the Olympic Gardens football team. And now we're here, and Friends for Real makes up half of that squad, and they decided this year to join the football competition, and they're in the finals, and they're absolutely one of our most disciplined teams here. And for me, it just speaks to the giving back and how we can continue to lend a hand to different teams and to communities, because we don't know where they'll be in the future.
My team was a better team on the day, but Friends for Real, them different well. I have to say thumbs up to them keeper because him stop a whole heap of shot today. So big respect with Friends for Real.
It's our first time entering a competition, group stage unbeaten, quarter-final unbeaten, semi-final unbeaten, and now we're in the final unbeaten. Looking forward to next year again.
We're hoping that the Pocket Rocket Foundation will give them that platform to showcase their talent, and we're hoping that we can see them in Premier League next year or the year after or somewhere in Europe. That would absolutely be something that I dream of happening for them.